Hello everyone! I am Teacher Jelly, ang inyong teacherelang
lingkod!
If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also follow me on my TikTok account at Teacherella Diaries for more writing tips.
At ang ingay ng asa.
I made this video 5 months ago entitled How to Write an Essay Beginner's Guide. And there I talked about the overall structure of an essay. If you want to watch that, the video card is up here and I'm also going to be linking it in my description box. I suggest kung papanoorin nyo yon ay skip nyo na yung unang part kasi
Nakakahiling editing ko dun noong mga panahong iyon.
since a few schools have started their classes already, I thought, why not make a writing series? This video is included in the 3-part series entitled Paano Magsulat ng Essay. Video 1, this video, will discuss step by step how to effectively write an introduction paragraph. Video 2 will be about writing the body. And of course, video 3 will be about the conclusion paragraph. I'll do my very best to discuss everything from introduction to conclusion. But you know what? I just hope that I can get your opinion on the topic that we can write about. But that's not possible. I mean, kung hindi po kayo nakafollow sa aking Instagram or Facebook page, we cannot do a poll. But I hope in the future ay magkaroon tayo ng interaction para maging aware naman ako sa mga topics or lesson na kailangan nyong malaman para mas matuto kayo sa klase at para pumasa kayo. Enough of the intro, let's go! Basically, the introduction is the first part of an essay. At ito ang ilan sa mga bagay na dapat nating tandaan kapag nagsusulat tayo ng introduction.
Please take down notes.
Number 1. Introduction should not be longer than the body paragraph. Bakit? Dahil sa body, doon tayo dapat nagbibigay ng explanation. Dapat sa body naroon yung supporting details, nandun yung examples, nandun yung citations if needed. Technically, your body paragraph should be longer than the rest of the parts of your essay. In short, ang intro ay mas maikse kaysa sa body. Ma'am, ideally, gaano po ba dapat kahaba yung aming introduction? Mamaya babalikan natin yan. By the way, itong dinidiscuss po natin ay for classroom purposes lang po, no? It's not specifically for those people who are gonna be taking IELTS, yung mga ganong klaseng exam. This series is really for beginners, for students.
Number 2.
Intro should have a thesis statement. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam kung ano ang thesis statement, a thesis statement is a sentence that sums up the main point of your essay. Ano ba yung pinakagusto mong ipunto? Tanungin mo ang sarili mo, what's my point? One reminder though, your thesis statement should not be a fact. Your thesis statement should be an argument. Again, thesis statement should be arguable. I actually posted this video on my TikTok account at Teacherella Diaries. Roll it. Write a thesis statement. Thesis statement is very important when writing an essay, and you simply have to follow this super easy formula. Topic plus claim plus 3 points. For example, Marvin Fohas is the best TikTok comedian. For he makes relatable videos, creates funny pickup lines, and publishes quality content. So, can you recall the formula? It's very simple, right? Topic plus claim plus 3 points or 3 reasons or 3 evidence. Number 3, introduction should give your readers an idea on what they are about to read on your body and conclusion paragraph. Now, let's go to the structure of your introduction. Maraming pagkakataon na meron na tayong topic sa isip natin, di ba? Pero hindi natin alam paano magsisimula. O minsan, ang dami na nating ideas na naiisip, but we do not know how to organize our ideas. So here are some important parts of your introduction. The first sentence is called the hook. Hook is your opener. It's your attention grabber. Ano-ano ang halimbawa ng hook? You can start your introduction with a thought-provoking question. Madalas nakikita natin yan, yung tanong sa unang linya ng introduction. You can also start with a quotation. Ayan, ang pinaka-famous yan, mga linya-linya, diba? Love is like a rosary, mga ganyan.
Char.
Definition, example, statistics, diba? 9 out of 10 children experience energy gap. Statistics yan. Or imperative. Imperative means giving command or order to the person who's reading your paper. Example, look around you. Look, imperative. Nagbibigay ng command. Or look at the stars.
Look how they shine for you.
You can choose from any of those, but please make sure that your hook is suitable to the topic or content of your essay. Alam nyo, minsan pinipilit nating maglagay ng quotation kahit hindi naman bagay. Ngayong alam na natin na meron pa tayong ibang option, ay mas mapapaganda na natin yung ating essay. Okay, so the first part is the hook. After ng hook, we're gonna have a few more sentences. Okay? Hook and then background info ng topic mo. Ilang sentences po yun, ma'am? 2 to 3 sentences. The background info would give more information about your chosen topic. Okay? Hook, and then 2 to 3 sentences ng background info. So, kung meron tayong hook at meron tayong 3 sentences, kunwari, meron na tayong pinapahirapan yung sarili. Meron na tayong 4 sentences in total, diba? So, what's the 5th sentence? Yung pinakahuling sentence ng iyong introduction ay ang thesis statement. Well, wala naman talagang rule na dapat doon mo siya ilagay sa pinakadulo. But, 99.99% of the time ay dito nilalagay ng mga writers ang kanilang thesis statement. Kasi parang it closes your introduction and introduces your body. Parang ganon. So, in total, generally, 5 sentences for your introduction, no? Pero, alam nyo, maikli nga yun sa atin kasi sa ibang bansa, ang dami ng, ang daming required paragraphs sa kanila. Anyways, so what I would recommend is 5 sentences. Pero, kung mayroong requirement ang inyong teacher, makinig kayo kung ano yung nire-require niya. Kung gusto niya 7 sentences, syempre sundin nyo siya kasi siyang mag-grade sa inyo, hindi ako. Okay, let's review. Baka masyado nang na-overload na ating mga brains. Let's review. Okay, ano yung mga parts ng introduction na pinag-usapan natin? First line is called the hook. That's right. And then, yung kasunod ng hook ay 2 to 3 sentences of background information, and the last sentence is called the thesis statement. Now, let's try to write a sample introduction. Halimbawa, ang topic natin ay TikTok. Since sikat na sikat ang TikTok at ang inyong teacher Jelly ay may TikTok, magpalo kayo sa akin doon, ha? Okay, so may napili na tayong topic, TikTok. But TikTok is a broad topic. There are a lot of things that we can discuss about TikTok. The question is, how will we narrow down our topic? How will we make it more specific? Let's write down 3 questions. Halimbawa, ang aking unang tanong ay, how does TikTok positively affect the mental health of people during quarantine? Yan ang question number 1 natin. Question number 2, why do teenagers spend too much time on TikTok? Halimbawa. And question number 3, how does TikTok affect one's perspective on beauty? Ngayon, meron na tayong 3 tanong na may iba't ibang pinupunto, diba? Now, it proves our point earlier na ang TikTok ay broad at marami kang pwedeng i-discuss. Ngayon, pipili tayo ng isang tanong na sa tingin natin ay kaya nating i-prove or kaya nating i-expand sa ating essay. So, say, ang pinili natin ay yung question number 1, How does TikTok positively affect the mental health of people during quarantine? Ma'am, pwede po bang dalawang tanong ang piliin ko? I really suggest that you just focus on one question. Choose one question because from there, we're gonna make a thesis statement. By the way, may link ako ng essay outline dito sa description box. Libre yan. I-click nyo, i-download nyo, i-print nyo ha. Pwede kayo dyan mag-type, guys. Dyan nyo lang i-type yung mga ideas nyo para may skeleton kayo, no? May guide kayo ng mga gusto nyong ilagay sa inyong essay. The next step is to give 3 answers to your chosen question. Remember, may pinili tayong isang tanong. Ngayon, it's time for us to give 3 answers doon sa tanong na yon, no? Okay, gamit ulit tayo ng graphic organizer and ilagay natin sa gitna positive effects. So for me, what's good about TikTok is it delivers entertainment. Tama, na-entertain tayo sa mga short videos sa TikTok. Second, it spreads information. Spreads or disseminates information. Dahil may mga TikTok na informative, right? May mga how-to TikToks tayo dyan. Meron din tayong language learning TikTok videos. Lastly, for me, it fosters creativity. Foster means to encourage or promote something. Ganun. Ngayon, gawa na tayo ng thesis statement. Let's go back to our formula, no? Topic. What's our topic? TikTok. Claim. Ano yung claim natin? Ano yung argument natin? Ina-argue natin na ang TikTok ay may positive effects sa mental health ng mga tao. Bakit siya considered as a claim? Bakit siya argument? Kasi may ibang tao na pwedeng sabihin na, no, it's not good for people's health. Negative ang effects niya, hindi positive. Diba? So, it's arguable. And then, ang ating 3 points, lalagay lang natin yan dyan. Delivers entertainment, spreads information, and fosters creativity. Now, let's make a unified thesis statement. So, gawa na tayo ng isang buong sentence. TikTok positively affects people's mental health during quarantine, for it delivers entertainment, spreads information, and fosters creativity. For here means because, okay? Lagi nating tatandaan na ang thesis statement ay isang pangako. Yes, it's a promise. So, kung ako yung reader, tapos nakita ko, ay ito ang pinangako niya sa kanyang introduction. Sabi niya sa intro niya ay i-discuss niya itong TikTok bilang taga-deliver ng entertainment, TikTok taga-spread ng information, at TikTok na nagpo-promote ng creativity. Kailangan mabasa ko yon sa body. Plus, that's the beauty of including a thesis statement on your introduction. You can always go back to your thesis statement. So, in case parang naubusan ka ng idea, or in case parang ang dami mong gustong ilagay sa essay mo, always go back to your thesis statement. Ito lang dapat ang i-discuss mo. Wala nang iba. Thesis statement check. Now, let's go to your hook. So, meron tayong mga pagpipilian kanina, no? Pero, ano ba yung pinaka-the best? So, I think magandang gamitin ang statistics, diba? Let's indicate how many users does TikTok have. TikTok has an estimated 800 million monthly active users worldwide. So, ayan, may hook na tayo, guys. Now, let's go to our 2 to 3 background information. Here, we can include kailan ni-launch ang TikTok, mga ganong klaseng information.
Launched in China year 2016, it has reached million people of different nationalities. So, ibig sabihin marami na siyang users from different countries. This app is packed with entertaining filters and effects that undoubtedly surpassed other pre-existing video-making apps. With the COVID outbreak, users found a way to cope with the lockdown by watching and creating TikTok contents.
And then, insert natin itong ating thesis statement! Saya ko guys, kasi napagod ako gumawa nito.
Nakakapagod.
Comment your own thesis statement. Tapos, hayaan natin na tulungan tayo ng iba nating mga viewers, magko-comment sila, and ako rin, pag nakita ko yan, magko-comment ako para kung merong i-improve, ma-improve natin. Kung maganda na, ma-acknowledge din natin, di ba? Ilalagay ko na lang din ang link ng sample na ito, no? But we have a lot more to talk about, like paano ipaggamit ng mga transitional devices, ganyan, sa ating body paragraph, paano maglagay ng topic sentence sa ating body paragraph. This is really for beginners, no? So, kung ikaw ay writer na sa school, hindi mo na kailangan ito, no? Pang ano lang to talaga. And para sa mga medyo nag-i-struggle, alright? Ngayon, kung natapos mo na itong video na ito and medyo naguguluhan ka pa, you can always rewatch. And I'm really encouraging you to take down notes. I-click mo yung mga link na yan kasi ano yan, Google Drive link yan. I-access mo yung mga files na ginawa ko for you. Gamitin mo and ililink ko na lang din sa baba itong ginawa natin na to na sample intro, no? I hope you learned something from this video. Show me some love by liking and by sharing this to your classmates. Follow me on TikTok. I'll see you again. Syempre, bye-bye!